Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move PayPal money to Gcash or transfer money from PayPal to Gcash. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, for this video, we are going to follow this Wise Sport or blog article. And from here, you can learn how to send money from PayPal to Gcash. So the first thing we need to verify the eligibility to transfer the money from PayPal to Gcash. And to do so, you can simply log in, and after that, you will be needing to go to your services and then add your card or link your PayPal card within Gcash, and if it was successful, that means you are able to start transferring money from your PayPal to Gcash. So as you can see, you will be just needing linking PayPal to Gcash by logging into Gcash, and then you can go to my linked accounts, and basically you will find it on the menu, and from there you can add your PayPal email address, and basically they will be uh, linked. And basically, to transfer the money from PayPal to Gcash, you will be needing just to go to Global Partners and Remittance, and basically you will find PayPal as an option. So by logging in, you will find there in the menu, and basically you will find Global Partners and Remittance uh, choice or option, and basically it will show you PayPal. So basically then you will need just to find PayPal and add follow the prompts instructions by logging in, authentication, etc. And basically at the end you will be needing just to add the amounts that you want to transfer from your Gcash or from PayPal to Gcash, and then you will be able to confirm, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.